is a luxury edition of the traditional Turkish ketch. This Alesta designed and built luxury vessel is purpose-built for exclusive blue cruises. Her main deck features a general surface and a lot of comfort, thanks to the overall length of 31 meters and a beam of 7.5 meters. Her hull and deck are made of quality teak wood, while the cabins and the lower deck are constructed out of mahogany. DURAMAZ provides accommodation for 12 guests. On deck. We're on the spacious aft deck with comfortable padded lounge area. This is the perfect area for total relaxation while you are enjoying your drinks. Or let the chef create outstanding Turkish dishes for your enjoyment. Walking over the side deck, we come across the user-friendly sea ladder, which makes it easy to access to the yacht from the water. After we've seen the large sun deck, we arrive on the bow, fit with large padded seats, tables and additional chairs to fulfill all your requirements, whether you want to relax or want to enjoy the barbecue. Cabins. The lower deck is completely finished with high-gloss varnished mahogany. The classic design master cabin with a queen-sized berth is accomplished with bedside cabinets, comfortable seats and drawers. DURAMAZ has great entertainment facilities on board, including satellite TV, hi-fi and DVD. For your privacy, all cabins offer ensuite toilet, shower cabin and sink. Our individually adjustable air-conditioned cabins are also equipped with interphone. All cabins provided with portholes maintaining fresh air and natural light. Accommodation is of a high standard, consisting of 2 master cabins, 2 double cabins, and 2 twin-bedded cabins. For maximum guest privacy, crew cabins are separate from guest accommodations. The cozy cabins are also fitted with reading lights. Good hygiene is a very important issue. For this reason, the bedclothes and towels are changed with regularity. Galley and living rooms. The galley is fully equipped to ensure that your culinary preference can be provided. With its attractive, warm interior and large windows which ensure plenty of natural light, the salon is well appointed and full of character. The minibar facility in the salon offers full service including ice maker. Salon entertainment center includes TV, hi-fi system and DVD player. Captain's Bridge. DURAMAZ is equipped with all the latest technical and communication gear, including VHF, radar, GPS, deep sounder and autopilot. She is also fitted out according to SOLAS standards to ensure your safety on board. DURAMAZ is run by a qualified and professional crew of 4, including a captain. She's fully equipped with sailing gear. On request, it is possible to take a sailing trip on your way to your destination. Maybe this is your chance to experience total relaxation. Experience the privilege to be special. AlestaYachting.com